Water backing up in your sink is a nuisance. Here is our advice on why you should hire a professional for a clogged drain. A drain clog might seem simple, but sometimes it can be difficult to clear and hard to reach. If you try to unclog it yourself, things can go wrong, and you end up with a bigger problem. An experienced plumber has the knowledge and tools needed to fix a stubborn drain clog the right way. Why go through the hassle of doing it yourself when you can have a professional do it for a small charge? After the clog has been removed, everything goes back to the way it should be. A professional service provides a lasting solution you can depend on. Hiring a local plumber ensures peace of mind, knowing the task has been handled expertly. For service you can trust, choose Shamrocks Plumbing. We stand for high-quality work. Avoid the bother of doing it yourself. Call us, and we will take care of your clogged drain problem the right way.